appeal to me for 2 reasons. They're a great deal, and they're perfect for getting girls' numbers. Okay, I'm getting that for one reason.
Buy one big prize and get one free only at Staples. That was easy.
Okay.
Why settle for a one-piece cereal? Do more with Honey Bunches of Oats. Those nutritious grains come together in one texture, more healthy satisfaction. Have a bowl.